Hi guys, I'm back for another video. I'm hoping everybody is staying safe and warm inside their cozy houses. It is a blizzard outside. Unbelievable. My husband and I just came back from shoveling and it's really coming down. But anyway, I have another project to show you. It's not a journal, but something I found on Pinterest and on YouTube. It's what I call as a surprise box. I made it for a coworker. Her birthday is next week, and I will be giving it to her this weekend because we work together this weekend. So she loves black and white. Those are her colors. But because this month is her birthday and it's also Valentine's Day, I included some red into this project. So let's open her up. So I don't know if you've seen these or not, but when you open them up, they're kind of like they explode out. So you have candy, or you can put anything on the four quadrants of the box if you want. Let's see if I can get this in camera. Okay. I wanted to put all the candy in there, but I didn't have any room. So I ended up putting a lot of the candy in here. So that's where the rest of the candy is going to have to be for now. So I'm just going to take you, step by step. What I did was I went to the Dollar Tree and or Dollar General, and I got these 3 boxes. They were on sale. It was a after Christmas sale, and they just happened to be all red. And I altered them, cut the sides or the corners down so they flopped open, and then I just decorated it. Took some envelope or some napkins, some black and white napkins, and I Mod Podged them. And I Mod Podged a paw napkin and glued that to the side. And took some washi tape and went around and covered the creases with white and red washi tape. And that's basically it. And I put a ribbon across here to use as a belly band. So we'll start with this one here. This side. This I made out of the envelope. It feels really nice. I liked how this came out. So this is just a little envelope, and then when you open it up, it's like a tag. And I used some napkin and a ribbon and a piece of fabric. This is actually the back, and here's the front here. So I just collaged a bunch of stuff on here. And her birthday is on the 8th, so I put 2/8 here, and she loves to shop. So I added a little quote, this little transfer quote. It's an add a cart kind of day. So hope she likes that. Let's stick this back in here. Alright, then I'll just set this aside. Okay, so then these 2 sides here are just candy. And then over here, I copied this image and then put a transfer. It says beauty is an attitude. And then what I did was I took some bling off a piece of jewelry, and I stuck that in the center of the image. So just something simple. And then this is another Mod Podge envelope out of a napkin, and I had one of those viewfinder, what do you call them, viewfinder slides or something. And so, and then over here I took a piece of the paw napkin, and I made a paw for the closure, and then inside are like images or pictures of my friend and her niece and nephew. So I'm not going to show you that, but I thought that came out really nice. Okay, stick that back here. All right, so, and then in this little envelope, I made an altered card, altered playing card, and I collaged some stuff on here and put some bling. Here's the back of that. So, and I put a big piece of bling out of some jewelry I had, some broken jewelry, and I put it right onto the little snippet piece. So, alright, I'll put that aside. Okay, so the next, so the next opening of the box, so next layer, this doesn't explode as much because it doesn't have all the candy, but basically what I did was I just took some book page, and I made pockets out of all 4 sides, and then I stuck some playing cards in there. So 2/9, she's going to be 29 next week. So I just stuck some white washi tape on that, and then stick them back inside the pocket if I can. Alright, and then here I just altered that too, and stuck some play money in there also. And then here's another tag that I made, and I stuck her initial up there. So there's the back of that. Cute little thing. And it sticks in here really nice. Okay. Yeah, so I'll just leave it like that. Alright, so then open the 3rd layer, and I basically just stuck some surprises in there, and a gift card, and I took some of these curly doodads that you put on top of curly ribbon that you put on top of presents, and I cut them up and stuck them inside, so she have a nice little surprise to open. Okay, I guess that's it to show you. Oh, one more thing. So this is a really nice tag that I made here. This is kind of a tag card. I did a altered playing card again, and I made a dress using some ribbon, some cardstock, some felt, and then I had like an embellishment of a crown, and then I had some bling up here, so I stuck a blingy piece on top of her crown. I had an image of a crown, so I cut that out and stuck that on the tag. So yeah, and then I had some ribbon trim, and I weaved a piece of ribbon through that. So there she is, and I believe that is all I have to show you right now. I am working on another project that I will be showing you in hopefully in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So stay tuned and stay warm. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.